Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how I protect my seedlings. I have to protect the seedlings with a wire net because we have a lot of cats, sometimes stray dogs, magpies, European magpies, other birds and toads, and we also have a hedgehog, and these animals are all like to dig, and the cats usually prefer the what mixes with the perlite, and I had to put down these wire nets so they can't go inside of the seed sowings and the scale propagation. It takes a lot of time, but it's the best because I don't have to apply any chemicals. And you can see these blue pellets, these are slug pellets, and I applied a lot of slug pellets to my Cardiocrinum seedlings because slugs just love them. So I hope these Cardiocrinum seedlings will survive, otherwise I have to try again next year. They were sown last August, and they were kept moist, and because they need a winter chilling period, and now they are just sprouting up. Fortunate, very fortunate. So you can see the crates are all have a wire net, and that would be all for today. Now you can see my pulmonarias are flowering in the pots. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.